Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block all incoming calls on your Android phone without switching airplane mode on. The first thing you want to do is open phone on your device, and once you have phone open, just at the top right corner tap on the three dots to give you more options. Here you will see settings. Tap on settings and this should bring you here. Now once on this page, look for call account and tap on call account. On the call settings page, there are two things that you can do to block all incoming calls. First, you can do call forwarding. Tap on call forwarding and then select the network you want to block all incoming calls on. You'll have to wait for all the options to load. You have several options for your call forwarding. You can always forward a call, you can forward a call when busy, you can forward a call when unanswered, and then when unreachable. You want to block all incoming calls, tap on always forward, and here you'll be asked to enter a number that the call will be forwarded to. Now I want you to enter a wrong number in this section. Once you have done that, tap on turn on, and with that your call will be forwarded to an unknown number. When someone gives you a call using this method, you're going to get a feedback which says something like the number you're calling doesn't exist. When call forwarding is enabled, you can draw down your notification and you'll be notified that your call forwarding is on. To turn it off, what you want to do is come back here and then tap on turn off. This will disable call forwarding. The next thing you can do is bar all incoming calls, and you can do that by tapping on advanced settings, and under others you should see call barring. Tap on call barring, select your network and allow it to all load. Once they have all loaded, where it says all incoming calls, you want to tap on this, and here you'll be asked to enter a password. So enter a 4-digit password and then OK. This will ban all incoming calls. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have its post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.